Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of method upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, Hurricane Melissa definitely did what was needed to be done. People putting out the comment section what you think about that, because we can't be mad at Mother Nature for wanting to clean up planet Earth. Listen, man, I say we as a people just have to do better of keeping up the environment, you know what I mean? Cleaning up the gullies, stop chopping down the trees and mining out the seas and the earth. Listen, man, I say, but nevertheless, a lot of people is vexed. You see, man, I say, especially Romish and his team, because, a lot of Americans is in Jamaica. I don't want to say acting, you know what, but them are act up because of the type of provisions them are getting at their bag and all of these things. Listen, man, I say. So let's deal with the storm aspect first of this review, because we're going to hear from, Rebel, the Americans, Ramesh, and another American in that order, and then we'll proceed with the rest of the topic, them, isn't it? So let's do the right thing and like and share the video from up on our social media platforms, and let's hear what I go on for not to go on, isn't it?
So why can't we leave when y'all fucking feeding us pastries for breakfast and we still had to pay full price to stay here? Like, come on.
May I ask where you're going now?
We going to get something to eat.
Everything closed across the street. Everything closed. Gas station, shopping mall, everything closed.
So what are y'all doing for gas? You all knew this storm was coming, right? So you gonna give us bag lunches, bag breakfast, some pastries? That's so disrespectful. Come here. Storm just come and tear down a blood clot place. One, two, no. We not complain about food we not get in a bag. Don't eat it. Dead. Cause you see we have more important things to deal with, and we still get some of it and half of Jamaica homeless. And we still complain. Go on home. Go on through the mashup airport. Go on. One next dog bed she come out. Are we in jail? Why we can't go to the pool? Girl, in a time like this, go and go dead. Why we can't go to the sea? Go and go drown. You know see how the sea level rise? Some of you just learn to be thankful and come and say we do the dirty Americanized ways.
Day one I got two body, Yeah, man. Rice, we have flour, we have cornmeal, we have mattress, we have whole heap of used clothes and new clothes, we have tissue, we have tin food. Need enough more tin food, people. All who come tomorrow, we need enough more tin food, please. You see, all of this a greatness from the Jamaican people. Them. Big up on yourself. Big up, big up, big up. Remember, me not go shop it, All of this is just from people that's dropping off things over and over and over. Me not go do the big shopping yet. You get me, I say? We will get tarpaulin, we get what the name? Ply, we get whole heap of cases of water, we get stove, we get cylinder. But just I say big up and love to all of the people them way step out today and come donate. You get me, I say? I have more clothes in this, so. But just I say to the people them say, yo, we have tomorrow again, I remember I know I'm not going to shop yet, so we just try to get as much things we can get to today to tomorrow, and then after that I'm going to put in a big shopping to see what else is missing. It don't make no sense me go buy this one bag of something now and then we have 1,000 pounds of rice and only 2 sardines. You understand? Or we have 50,000 cases of water and we don't have enough food to go with it. So, all of the people them will step out tomorrow, need enough more canned food. You get me, I say? We need things where you just open and eat. Cup soup good, but suppose them can't get no hot water. This, you just pull and eat with 2 crackers and we're gone. You get me, I say? We want some wipes, we want some paper towel, and I have to buy the expensive one. We just, whatever I want to give you, we're glad for it. And we do the rest, me and my team, and all of the other people, them will help. Big up Zimmy, big up Chef Shay, big up the VK team, Picnic, Tropical, Lawn, big up Yui. Yo, big up everybody here, brother. Everybody will help. Even the people who can't help and us share the views and everything. Big up on yourself. We are do what we are do. Man can't do it big like some big agency, but we are do it now. Sure, say minimal 500 people will get touched the weekend. Yeah. You understand? Big up.
Yeah, putting on the comment section of the hotel people them should have link Ramesh in these times of need. Not sure if these Americans is going to answer the answering web because you know say all the things said. But if they do, I should be sure to post you their response. But this next one individual is tapping on this topic. Is him.
And to everybody complaining about the resort workers in Jamaica not being very friendly right now, you know, during a hurricane, stage 5, those people deserve to go home to their families. Those people deserve to seek refuge. They're experiencing a natural disaster in their homeland. Ain't nowhere else to go for them after this storm. And I think the only reason the workers are staying on the resort is because after the storm, they need jobs. Imagine that. Imagine you were working at Walmart in America and there was a hurricane and you had to stay and leave your family at home because after the hurricane, you will need a job. So again, please keep Jamaica and the Caribbean in your prayers. And to everybody there on vacation, I hope you're safe also. But remember, you had enough money to go on vacation. Go look up what those people make in a year. All right.
Now, time for the dancehall criminal aspect part of the video. As you know, I'm just a messenger and people want update on these public court cases with, you know, Paparazzi Apple and her husband Jay Icon. Well, as you see, we got an update for Honor. Like I said, they will be in court next month to, you know, proceed with this trial. The prosecutor actually updated the court website, as you can see, saying they're coming with like 5 witnesses. You know what I mean? And all type of evidence that you can see from body cam footage, CTT, all type of footage, you know, police, all of these things are going to be witness, as you can see. Them put the name and all of these things that's going to be a part of this case. A lot of them is from the police department, because, you know, Apple and them is trying to suppress a lot of evidence that the police acquired, you know, after their arrest, you know, like running into their vehicles. I found the wallet in them. I don't know if the buttocks and them thing there, and the hotel and all of this stuff. So they're trying to suppress those things because them say it can lead to other things and make them look bad or whatever the case is. Me, you know what I mean? And those are the exhibits, as you can see, body one claims, all of that thing. You see what I say? So that's just the update on them. You see it? Yeah. Now, dancehall artist, reggae artist, Jah Cure is letting his fans know, yo, don't worry in yourself, Jamaica. He will be out in 1 year and a few months' time. He said he took the time to let the world know what going for that to go on when he was sending his prayers out for, you know, his fellow islanders that's experiencing, you know, this catastrophe in the island right now, you see me?
Back road no exist. This was a road. Like this, where I am walking was a road. This was an alternate route for me. Town pack up, this is where I would drive. This was a road. This, alright, how you do there? This was a road. This is a part of the football field. Right, that over there, that's a community center. This was a road. Where I'm walking, like this is a part, this is under the surface of the road. Like when persons were saying it to me, I never understood. But yeah, this was a road. The road has been totally destroyed.
Yeah, I think them said that Santa Cruz or back road or something like that. Anyway, people, we're not going long this no longer, you know, because we have more updates to give, you know, throughout the day. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest one. Bless.